This girl has been a tough one to work on. Just wants to pull away from everything. Not a huge fan of the pressure points. Hopefully she'll at least like the legs. There we go. A couple nice little releases there. Oh, let's see how she'll do with this. Good girl. Good girl. Owner said that there's a big release in that shoulder. Owner said that she may have come from a abusive situation where she was abused by a guy or guys. So if that's the case, I take my time with her. I usually will let her pull away from me if she feels the need to, just so she realizes that I'm going to let her go and not reprimand her harshly for that. And then they'll relax. Oh, good girl. There we go. Nice.